Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to set up a kids store on Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin page and click on My Store. You will see the current theme installed on your Shopify store. Let's customize the theme. Start with the header section and customize it to your liking. Add a header title for your store. And change the logo by going to the setting option and selecting logo to upload your logo from the gallery. Next, insert a banner for your kids store. Add more images and products to make your homepage more attractive to customers. Link your products to future products. And add a featured collection to link with your homepage collections. After you finish all these processes, save your changes. Now, go back to the theme page and work on the navigation to change the menu view. Click on Navigation and select the previous menu name, then remove unnecessary menu items. To add a new menu item, click on Add Menu Item. Type the name of the item, link it with your products or collections, and click on Add. Arrange your menu view by dragging items based on their category. Then save the menu and go to the online store to see your kids' stores on Shopify. The logo is inserted successfully. The banner is very attractive, and your products are linked with detailed descriptions. The menu items are well organized and functional. Click on each one to see what it looks like.